I'm going to teach you how to turn on linkage in CapCut Desktop. If you want your video clip and its audio to stay connected while you edit, the linkage feature is very useful. It helps prevent the audio from getting out of sync with the video when you move things around on the timeline. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to link them together so they move as one. Start by opening the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program is open, go ahead and create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. Either option works, as long as you can access the editing timeline. Next, import a video that includes audio. This is important because linkage works with the video and audio clips you want to keep together. After importing the file, add the video to the timeline so you can begin editing it. At this point, check how the clip appears in the timeline. In some cases, the audio may already be attached to the video as a single item. If needed, detach the audio so the video and audio appear on separate tracks. This gives you independent clips that can then be linked together using the linkage feature. It may sound a little backwards, but this is helpful when you want clearer control over both elements. Once the video clip and audio clip are visible separately, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and select both the video clip and the audio clip. Make sure both items are highlighted before moving on. If only one clip is selected, the linkage option won't apply properly. Now look at the toolbar above the timeline and click the linkage button. After you click it, give CapCut a moment to apply the change. The clips should now be linked. To test whether it worked, drag either the video clip or the audio clip in the timeline. If linkage has been turned on successfully, both clips will move together instead of shifting separately. This is the easiest way to verify that the connection is active. Finally, confirm that the video and audio have been successfully linked. Once they move together as a pair, you're done. From here, you can continue editing with more confidence, knowing your audio and video will stay aligned as you rearrange your timeline. That's how to turn on linkage in CapCut Desktop.